Hello, this is Naz from NB Network Lessons. Hope you guys are doing okay. I'm back with example of a function which is plotted on this graph right here, and we are asked to find the slope or derivative of that. Okay, so we're going to use the limit approaching 0 and try to see if I can find that out. Okay, so this is the function right here. Function of t is equal to t squared minus 6t minus 5. If you plot this on a graph, you will get something like this, the one in red, okay? And what we've been asked is to find the slope at when a is equal to 2, okay? So that's what we need to find out. We need to find out slope at this point right here. In my last example, what we did was that we worked on it and we basically came up with this formula right here, where derivative limit h approaching 0, we were function of a plus h, which is the rise, function of a plus h minus function of a, which is the rise, over run, which is this right here, h. So we established that. Now let's go ahead and see if we can find slope of this function when a is equal to 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to say function of 2, okay, is equal to, now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say limit approaching 0, okay, h approaching 0, all right. So if we go ahead and substitute this right here into t square, I'm going to replace a by 2. So then this is equal to 2 plus h square minus 6 into 2 plus h minus 5, okay, big brackets, minus, we still got to worry about this. So a is 2, t square is going to be 4, okay, 6 times 2 is 12, minus 12, minus 5, with a big bracket right here, okay. So now, and it's, obviously it's divided by h. Right here. So this right here on the top is rise of the slope, and this right here is the run. Remember I told you m is equal to rise over run, and this is the slope. So we got this right here. Now what we do is that we say function of 2, we simplify it, function of 2, okay, is equal to limit as h is approaching 0, okay. So what we do is that we open it up, this right here, and we get 4 plus h square plus 4h, okay, minus 6 times 2 is 12, minus times h is minus 6h, okay, and then you have minus 5, but we're not done yet. We still have to open this up. So if you do this, this is going to be minus 4, minus times minus plus 12 plus 5, okay, all over h. So if you simplify that, what you will do is you will get function of 2 as limit of h approaches 0. If you solve all of this, the final you will get something like this, h into h minus 2 over h. All right, this will cancel. All right, and then the answer would be, we need to find slope, right? we need to find slope as h approaches 0. All right. So basically what we're saying is that we are finding the slope at this point when h is approaching 0. All right. The height is approaching, height in this case is approaching 0. This is approaching 0. So when we do that, all we have to do is substitute the value of basically h in here, which is 0. It's approaching 0. So then the slope is -2. That is the answer. Okay. So what we did was that we were asked to find the slope at 2. All right. So the slope over here we were able to find is -2. Okay. Slope at this point -2. Okay. So just kind of review that. Take a look at it again. I'm going to come back with more practice and hopefully we'll have fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content, go ahead and give me a like. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.